Hey guys, if you are looking to save money on compost, I have a little special deal for you. As you know, I've been using field compost for the last 2 years and I mention it on every single video that I put out. Now, I've come to an arrangement with them and I've got a special code for you which will get you 10% off any orders you take off their website, off of the lawn care range. Now, I use field number 4 dressing to cover my seeds, and it is very fine, and there's pretty much no stones or twigs whatsoever in it. It is one of the best dressings I've ever used. Now, unlike the dressings, the compost, what you get from the likes of B&Q and Wix, you don't get all of that residue, the sticks and all the semi-broken down material. So you're getting to put 100% of the contents of the bag onto your lawn instead of like 80% and the rest of the bag being 20%, which is just like sticks and stones, which you end up chucking away or putting on your borders and things. So take advantage of the deal, get your orders in now before the renovation season comes. Use the code RIGHT10, RIGHT 10. I'll leave a little description below this video with that code. Enter that at the website fieldcompost.co.uk. Use the code RIGHT10 and then save 10% on any orders. Now is the time to start stocking up and getting all your materials ready and in place. Any questions, comments, please leave them down below. And once again, thank you so much for supporting me and this channel. Have a great day. See you soon. I've got a video coming out in the next few days which you're going to enjoy.